We start with the daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update because if we refer to my last analysis, we have been looking for the reversal. This means we have been looking for buy. And the only thing is we want to see how we can manage the trade and what should we do. And from there, we want to see whether we can look for trade or not. Okay. First things, if we refer to my last analysis, since the price was within this down move, we mentioned we are looking for this flat. Since most of the charts we had the similar movement, we mentioned if the price can retest the previous low, we can look for the divergence. Then any reversal from there, we can take the trade. But I see some different. I mean, some of the chart we can see the breakout of the previous low, some of them not. That's why even I mentioned about the different possibility in my last analysis. We mentioned if we get the reversal, even the price didn't retest the previous low, the only way is to look for the trade with a sharp move flag. As we can see here, based on what we have, based on daily chart, the price couldn't retest the previous low. That's why we couldn't really rely on the divergence. Okay. By the way, as I mentioned in my last analysis, how if you get any reversal from as a short move flag, we can look for trade. If you move to 1 hour chart, there was opportunity to look for buy either from here or here, and also from here based on lower time frame. All right. Now, whoever get the trade, it depends on the which platform they're using. They should move their sub loss to either break even or book some profit. At least move their stop loss somewhere around 0.18. And whoever get the trade from here, at least move their stop loss to break even. If there is a continuation from here, it's good for them. If not, at least they can book some profit, mostly from whoever get the trade either from here or here. Okay. Now we want to see what's the next, how we can look for trade. All right, based on 1 hour chart. First things, we're looking at this correction. Technically, when we see this kind of the move, since we have this sharp move down correction, technically we want to see one more drop with the breakout of the previous low, which is 0.185. And then from there, we can expect to get the flat. If we get the flat in relative to this, any reversal from there, we will take the trade. Okay, that's why buying within this without the trade setup is not a really good idea. For me, I prefer to get one more drop, because if I get one more drop with the at least breakout of the previous low, then from there we can see whether there is a continuation similar to what we get here or we get the reversal. But if we get any drop, then from there, if we see that there is no continuation, if we get any confirmation for the reversal, this is what we're looking for. All right, that's why we are not going to buy within this without the trade setup. And even if the price continues a corrective move, we just let it go unless we see the sharp move. Then from there we look at the chart differently, because as we what we had here, we had the sharp move, the price drop as a sharp correction. We have been looking for one more drop. All right, that's why we see the continuation. Okay, that's why whoever bought within this one without the trade setup, they face this. This is the only reasons, because this is the only reasons I want to see one more drop, because I want to see the flat, I want to see the confirmation for the reversal. Rather than that, buying within this, it depends on the traders, because technically we don't see any trade setup. We want to see the trade setup and reversal based on 1 hour chart. Okay, because if we refer to 1 hour chart, every time we see the reversal as a sharp move, this is what I'm referring to, then we could expect the price to retest the previous low, because based on daily chart is still we are within the last wave. If you consider this one as the last wave, is still we can expect this one turn to a extension wave. And from what I can see here, we didn't see the breakout of the previous low. But one more thing I need to highlight here, if the price start to give us a correction based on daily chart, we will retest the previous low based on daily chart, then it can give us better confirmation for the reversal. By the way, the only things right now we're looking for 1 hour chart. If we want to look for trade, I will be more interested to get one more drop. Okay, and I need to highlight, it doesn't mean the price cannot continue from here. It can, but the only thing is how we can look for trade. All right, whether we can get the trade set up or not. Anyway, in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.